How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Gozy here, and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I raced a Plaid, and I'm not going to comment too much on that. I was already in Tampa visiting a really close friend, and I heard about an event in Bradenton, so made my way down. Didn't launch the car, didn't run it hard. I was just having my fun, had a couple passes, trapped above a 14, so I didn't get kicked out. Since I got the car, I've been trying to baby the motor. It is a factory block LS7 on boost, so that says enough. So I'm trying not to beat on it too much, you know, just to keep the longevity going. But let me backtrack a bit. So with the Plaid, went down to Mexico. It was a cool night, so I already knew traction was going to be an issue. Pulled up, and the cars there were either too fast or too slow. There was a big turbo S10 making like 13 wheel, and it looked pretty hacked up. I was like, I don't know if this guy can even keep the car straight, and I don't want to get sideswiped out here. So I passed on that. I ran a couple Model S's back in my day, and I've been in with no issue. So with the Plaid, I just wanted to see where I fell in. Like I said, so ran the Plaid. I won't bid on it too much. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and I spoil it for y'all. Like, share, subscribe. You know I stay in my comment section. Leave a comment. You know I'm gonna respond back. Show love. I show love back. And like always, guys, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate the support. I'll see you guys on the next video. Now, and it's a little decent turnout. Not too much going on. I want to run that, and there's a Plaid C06 I just pulled up. Gonna go look at it. She's looking good under the light. I need a trailer, man, for real, cause I said I need a trailer. You good, bro? So what's she making? 750. It's not bad. The black vet didn't want to run, so I gotta see what's up with these guys. I heard the Mustang's making 900-ish. Highlight. 60 hell, ain't it? Yeah, hell yeah. Looks good.
You know, there was, I mean, if you remember, he's weird. How'd it go, boss?
Look at the toys. Hey, look at the toys. Look at the toys. Hey, that's called big money. Watch this shit. I didn't tell them to shut up yet.